Well, anybody who says we should end the use of fossil fuels in 20 or so many years has got to be, half brain dead or more, because that isn't going to happen. I mean, if we were to electrify all the vehicles, you'd need twice as much electricity. And at the same time, these guys are making it so there's less electricity. It just doesn't work in plain arithmetic. Wind and solar are essentially useless compared to the other three main types of generation, which is fossil fuels, hydroelectric, and nuclear. So you ask what mix I think is right. It really does depend on the resources you have to some extent. Brazil has 80% hydroelectric. Canada has 60% hydroelectric. Norway has 90% hydroelectric. So there are countries with mountains and a lot of rain, and you need both those things. Just mountains, there's no hydro. Just rain, there's no hydro. You need elevation and a lot of rainfall. And British Columbia happens to have the second largest assemblage of mountains in the world after the Himalayas. So here, where I am on Vancouver Island and in all of British Columbia, which is twice the size of Germany or something, we have almost 100% hydroelectric. But you can't do that in Texas, and you can't do that in many parts of the world. Saudi Arabia, I mean, it might have some mountains, but it doesn't have any water.